it says work out the length h. So we've got to work out this perpendicular height here. The diagram is not drawn to scale. So the area is base times height of a parallelogram. And when we mean height, we mean the perpendicular height. So this will be the base, and this will be the height, the perpendicular height. So we will need to work out 12 times 4.2. So doing 12 times 4.2. So 2 2's are 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Put in a 0. 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 4 is 4. Adding those together, we get 4 plus 0, which is 4. 2 plus 8, which is 10. So it's 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 4, which makes 5. Now we have just one number in the question, which is after the decimal point. Therefore, the decimal point goes there. And therefore, the area of this parallelogram is 50.4 meters squared. Right, now using this as the base and this as the height. So we've got the base and we've got the height here. Remember, it's always the perpendicular height. It can sometimes help to turn the paper round. And we know that the area is 50.4 meters squared. So using the fact that area is base times height, we can say 50.4 is equal to 8, which is the base, times the height h, which we're required to find. So that makes an equation 50.4 is equal to 8h. So dividing both sides by 8, so we'll do 50.4 divided by 8. So 8 into 50 go 6 times. Now the decimal point in division goes directly above. So 8 into 50 is 6. Carry the 2, and then 8 into 24 go 3 times using short division. Therefore, we get the height is 6.3 meters. Okay, this has been a video to show a two-stage problem in order to find a perpendicular height of a parallelogram. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.